Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy personal loans with SoFi, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy personal loans with SoFi, start by visiting the SoFi website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up option. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and phone number. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your SoFi account. Navigate to the personal loans section on the dashboard. Read through the eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify. Prepare the financial documentation needed, such as income statements, tax returns, and bank statements. Enter the loan amount you wish to apply for. Select the purpose of the loan from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred repayment term from the available options. Fill out your personal and financial information as prompted. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Submit the application after reviewing all details. Wait for SoFi to process your application. You will receive a decision within minutes in most cases. If approved, review the loan terms and conditions provided. Accept the loan by signing the agreement digitally. Once accepted, SoFi will disburse the funds to your designated account. Monitor your account for the deposit. Stay on top of repayment schedules to maintain a good credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.